Let's have a look at how to review history. This is where you can find all your trades that have been closed. You can filter by token address if you want, or by bot ID to see only the trades for a specific bot. You can also hide or show failed transactions if you want. Here you can see all the trades with their P&L. These trades are completely closed, meaning the tokens have been fully sold. Here you can see the purchase amount in Solana and in US dollars. You can also see the average market cap or price, which you can switch by clicking here, at which you bought and sold. You also have other parameters, such as how much gas fees you paid and the time of the first buy execution, or how long the trade stayed open, in minutes, hours, or days. You can perform some actions here. You can reactivate a trade if it's not fully closed and you still want to manage it, duplicate it to recreate the same trade manually, or share it with your friends. If you click on a trade, you'll see more detailed information, starting from the overall token data and then the main trade parameters, such as whether it comes from a bot, which bot it is, and its ID. This ID is usually required if you contact support. Here you can see the wallet used for the trade and the gas fees paid to execute the orders within the trade. You can also see your unrealized P&L, which in history is normally zero since the trade is closed. And here is the realized P&L, which is the actual profit or loss in both absolute value and percentage. You also get a quick preview of the token's performance. Below you can see the sub-orders of the trade. A trade can be composed of multiple orders. Think of a trade as a container with several actions inside. The first order is always a buy, whether it comes from a volatility bot or manual trading. If you use DCA, you may see multiple buy orders. Below that, you may see one or more take profits, a stop loss if it was activated, and any executed sell orders. You can also review directly on the chart the average buy and average sell price. If you only had one buy, the average equals that price. If you use DCA, the average buy price is calculated automatically. In the suborders section, you can see detailed information for each order, such as the amount bought, the execution price, the exact execution time, and the block number. Sometimes an order can be failed, reverted, or timed out, and this is where you can see that. Most failed orders happen because of slippage, gas fees, or network congestion. In rarer cases, the failure can happen for other reasons. For example, the token could be a honeypot and not sellable, meaning the transaction will always fail. It could also be that your wallet is blacklisted, and more. To learn more about the exact reason for a transaction error, you can click on Learn More and check the documentation for the full explanation.